Today I'm going to hang a 46-inch TV on this wall using this articulated wall mount. The process is pretty similar across various brands. I'll measure 11 inches down from this beam because the TV sticks about 10 inches above the mounting bracket and I want it to clear this. I'll just make a mark at 11 inches. This is the base plate for the mounting bracket, so I'll try to find the studs in this area. I'll go ahead and utilize this one and then one of these three. It's a little bit of an odd wall, but I'll use whichever one works best. I'll use my original mark that's 11 inches down from here, and I'll use a level so I can make a straight line. What I'm trying to do here is line up some of these holes with where the studs are so I can get some screws directly in the studs. I always like to check by drilling with a small drill bit to see if it's actually on a stud. You can tell if it feels hollow after going through the drywall or if it feels like you're going into wood. To make it more clear, I'll add some tape so I know exactly where the two studs are. I can use my level to make sure that this is going straight down. Then I'll place the mounting plate on the wall and try to get some of these holes to line up with where the tape is. And I'll put a level on top of it to make sure it's level. And mark with a pencil where I want my screws to go. I'm using 4 of these large screws with washers added on them, so I've chosen a drill bit that is just the size of the shaft of the screw minus the threads. And I'll drill all the way in on my marks. I can clean up some of the marks with a white eraser. Then I'll place my plate on the wall, line up the holes, and attach the screws with an Allen wrench. I can speed up the process quite a bit by using an impact driver with a socket. Now it's attached very securely to the wall. This TV mounting bracket has 2 separate brackets that mount onto the TV like this, and they tilt. Some models, it'll just have one piece. The screws that go in there often come with the TV, so if you had it on a different mount, make sure to keep those same screws. I'll line this up with the top hole and with that on the back of the TV, and just screw it in, making sure to use the washer. And before making it too tight, I'll put in the top one. Once that's done, I'll take the main articulating bracket and just hang it on top of this. There's a hook that goes on the top. And then depending on the placement you want, it can be slid to the right or to the left. I'll just put it right in the middle and then screw in this screw on the bottom to hold it in place. Then I lifted the TV up and hooked it onto the mount. Similar to the other part of the mount that hooked on from the top, this has screws that come in from the bottom to lock it in place. For this part, it should be not necessarily on the middle of the TV, but on the center of gravity of the TV, which is sometimes off to the side. And then the last step is to tilt it the amount that I want and lock that angle in place with the screw. That's pretty much it when it comes to hanging a TV on a wall mount. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.